Now the repaired keyboard is reinstalled in the jukebox. I gave it a little bit of a test and it seems like we've got good reliable operation. So let's test it out again here with another selection. See, it doesn't hesitate, it goes right to it. Try another selection here.
Come on along, and we'll go down to a place in Texas called Cowtown. You'll never meet a stranger.
That keyboard action is really good. I'm really pleased that it's working good now, because I was having a lot of trouble with this switch bank not wanting to make contact.
Drop, drop, drop. It's a mean old bottle they call moonshine. Red, red wine, so mellow and fine. Come home at night with a swimming in the head. Reach for the pillow, miss the whole darn bed. Drop, drop.
Alright, that's good. We'll try one more selection here. Let's try D24. And you'll notice that it is shutting off. We're not getting that phantom solenoid actuation, or the B solenoid. So I think I got the keyboard going pretty good now, and I can keep working on the fluorescent lamps.